In this tutorial, we're going to start using the modify tools in 3D mode. So the hole tool. So this tool allows you to make holes. So you click on where you want to make the hole, and you also can drag it around and snap it to 3D points. Okay, so you move it around where you want it to, and then you can pick your diameter of the hole. Pick your diameter. You also can pick different tops of the hole. Like this one looks like it's for screws. The top of it can fit screws. So you can control the degree that you want this to be, and also the diameter of that. And then you can also do search and distance through all or to. And let's just click apply and show you that one. So you can see that it made a hole right through that one. And then you also can make different kinds of holes too, like these screw holes that allow you to use threads, and like screws that allow you to use threads only like part of the hole. See that it's like halfway the screw thread. Also it's the same with that. And you also can do holes from sketches, like concentric constraints and on points like that. Alright, so that's the hole tool. Now the fillet. So the fillet it's like the 2D fillet where it just rounds edges. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the basic fillet. You just select you can pretty much fillet any edge that you have, so you can fillet this edge, this, and I'm just going to select all around it. So you can round all those edges. You can control the radius of the fillet, but I can't use 2mm because that wouldn't work. So 1 works. And then let's just see that. Alright, so those are rounded. And here you also can use different kinds of fillets. So the face fillet allows you to click on from one face to the next face, and it'll fillet from the face that you picked. So this one's first, and then that one, then the edge connecting those two, or is this one, so that's what it'll fillet. And you have your full face fillet, which rounds the whole thing. So you click on your side face, your center face, and then your other side face, and that'll round that edge. And then you have different kinds of fillets that you can do. The variable fillet allows you to go from one dimension to the next. So I can start at 1mm, then end at 4mm, and see. Alright, and then finally these are the chamfer. I'm going to I'm covering that too. The chamfer is like the fillet tool, except it just makes hard edges. So you select your edge and it'll make kind of fillets, but they're like straight lines. And you have your different kinds of fillets, or I mean chamfers, like that. You select your face as an edge, and then that too. So you have like a variable chamfer where you start over here and then end over here at what millimeters you want. So just control your distance. Alright, so that's it for the whole fillet and chamfer tools and the 3D modify tools. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to use the shell tool, the draft tool, and the thread tool.